In this video, I will show you how to mirror video on Adobe Premiere Pro. To mirror, we have a clip here. Go to Edit and select Copy, and then Paste. Drag the copied clip under the first clip, and it should look like this. To mirror, go to Effects, type in Horizontal, and select on Horizontal Flip. Drag this in here. Type in Crop. Select this and drag again here on the Effects control. Adjust figure of right to 50. And as we can see here, the horse on the clip is already mirrored. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!